Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you top 5 best websites that ChatGPT offer for learning ethical hacking and cybersecurity for free. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's get started. Cybrary is a leading online learning platform that offers free and on-demand cybersecurity and IT training. With over 1,200 courses available, users can access a wide variety of resources and learn at their own pace. Their free courses cover topics such as network security, ethical hacking, cloud security, and more. The courses are taught by industry experts and provide hands-on learning experience to help individuals gain practical skills that can be applied in the real world. Whether you are looking to upscale or rescale in the cybersecurity industry, Hacker 101 is a free online training platform that offers a range of courses for individuals interested in learning about ethical hacking and penetration testing. Hacker 101 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to learn about ethical hacking and penetration testing. With over 150 interactive challenges and tutorials, Hacker 101 provides a comprehensive learning experience for beginners and experienced. Their courses cover a wide range of topics, including web application security, network security, and cryptography. The courses are designed to be hands-on and provide real-world scenarios to help users. Pentester Academy is an online learning platform that offers free and paid courses in cybersecurity and penetration testing. Their free courses cover a range of topics including web application security, network security, and wireless security. Their courses provide hands-on learning experience that allow users to gain practical skill and experience in the field. Pentester Academy's free courses are taught by industry experts and offer a comprehensive learning experience for beginner and experienced professionals alike. HackerOne offers free online courses for individuals interested in learning about ethical hacking. Their courses cover a range of topics including web application security, network security, and cybersecurity, with hands-on labs and real-world scenarios. HackerOne's courses provide practical skills and experience. Additionally, HackerOne offers certification courses for individuals looking to validate their skills and demonstrate their experts to potential employers. Offensive Security is a leading provider of cybersecurity training and certification. Their website offers a range of free courses. Their courses are designed to provide a hands-on free learning experience for individuals interested in learning about ethical hacking and penetration testing. Additionally, OffSec offers a range of paid courses and certification programs for those who are looking to advance their careers in cybersecurity.